Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you actually need an older WhatsApp, check device model and OS, because compatibility matters. Next, back up your chats to avoid data loss. Use the built-in chat backup and include media if you want everything preserved. Once done, enable app installs from unknown sources in settings so you can sideload an APK. This is required because the Play Store only serves current releases. Make sure battery is above 30% and you have Wi-Fi. Now download the specific older APK that matches your phone and Android version. Choosing the wrong build causes crashes. Once downloaded, either uninstall the current WhatsApp or disable updates to avoid conflicts. If uninstalling, keep the chat backup safe. Tap the APK to install, accept permissions, and follow on-screen prompts. When installation completes, open the app and use the restore option to pull your backup. This preserves messages and media, which is why you backed up earlier. Finish by verifying your phone number through the usual SMS or call code. This reconnects your account. Once verified, immediately disable auto-update for WhatsApp in the Play Store so the app won't upgrade itself. You want to stay on the older build. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, reinstall the matching APK, or restore the backup again. These steps fix most problems. If persistent errors appear, consider upgrading the OS or switching to a supported WhatsApp version.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.